Stop memorizing complex Excel formulas right now. If you are still wasting hours trying to figure out VLOOKUPs, index match, or nested if statements, what if I told you that you can write the most advanced Excel formulas in just 5 seconds, even if you are a complete beginner? Today, I'm going to show you a secret hack to turn ChatGPT into your personal Excel expert for free. Let's start with a real-world example. Imagine you have a massive table and you want to find the price of a specific item. Instead of guessing the formula, just ask ChatGPT in plain English. Watch this. I'm telling ChatGPT exactly what I want. And boom! In less than 3 seconds, it generates the perfect formula, plus a step-by-step guide on how to paste it. But it gets even crazier. What if you need a complex nested if statement with multiple conditions? Writing this manually usually leads to broken brackets and errors, but look at this prompt. I just described my business logic to ChatGPT. It instantly outputs the complete formula, clean and error-free. You literally just copy it, paste it into Excel, and it works flawlessly. Here is a pro tip. If your existing Excel formula is broken and showing an error, don't waste time troubleshooting. Just copy the broken formula, paste it into ChatGPT, and say, "Fix this formula for me." AI will spot the missing comma or bracket and give you the corrected version instantly. No more Google searches, no more syntax headaches. Just describe it, copy it, and paste it. If you want my ultimate copy and paste prompt sheet to automate your Excel sheets, check the link in the description below.
Drop a comment on what Excel formula you want to see automated next, and smash that subscribe button to Bookify Pro for more insane Excel and productivity hacks. See you in the next video.